combination mini ceiling fan and light, and I'm actually kind of impressed with this thing. I've been messing with it. It's pretty neat. A lot cooler than I thought it was going to be. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. It's 10 inches wide here. There's a little cover on here, and it's a standard E26 one here. You also get this 10-foot cable. It has an on-off switch on here, 2-prong plug, and it also has an E26 on here. So if you wanted to, you could screw this into a socket in the ceiling if you had one, or just use this. You know, you screw it into here, and then you would have to hang it up somewhere, which I'm going to do. The only thing I wish it came with was some kind of strain relief. But let me show you how this thing works. It's actually pretty awesome. So I've just hung this up on the outside deck right here, right under where I sit at night. I've turned the power switch on the cable. To me, this is the best part of it all right here, the remote control. When you hit the power on, everything comes on at once. You can turn the light off and on individually if you want, and just have the fan. You have the button here for the fan. You can turn that off and on. And the fan controls, you have 3 different settings, low, medium, and high. You have 3 different timer settings on here. This M button here, it's like a dimmer button, and W for white light. You have NW for a different type of white light, and WW for a third different color light. And you've got like a color setting spectrum on here, so I can go up or down and change the different color settings if I want. And same on here, you've got a brightness up and down, change it to anything you want. I don't know if you can hear that, but right now it's on high, it's medium, low, and when you're done, just hit the power button. Ceiling fan and light combo, pretty awesome.